Hello everyone. So this is going to be general heart readings slash as per views and everything I write. Everyone can listen. Anyone can listen with any sign. Okay. Um, what is going on? Someone is going to ask in a text or something like, "What are you doing? What you doing? What's up?" Sort of. So basically, it's what are you doing? That's what I'm hearing. Okay, so have I said that? Sending love all the way from planet Earth. Namaste. Let's start. And this is, you may hype, like, share, and hit the bell icon definitely to get notified. Um, Someone is stuck in traffic, real time traffic, and it's very difficult to cross through. It's more of like a flyover. They're stuck there, and this is a sapphire blue car with a silver lining, um, with black. I'm sorry, with black window glasses, panes, whatever we say. Um, it's sort of like giving me the vibe of vintage or something. Mix. There's a car, okay, but someone is over a call in there, inside, and this is male energy. Um, talking to someone, talking to someone very important. Um, there is this realization which is connected with heavy realization. There is this talk coming, there is text messages coming. These are general readings, so and timeless, so may or may not resonate with all of you at the same time, but there is this very heavy energy of release or relaxation from some disappointing time, because it's bringing hope in the matter again, or there is some hope that is going to be giving you that good morning vibe. Okay, so there could be a good morning message as well. Anyways, what important thing is that there's this sun energy and there is this three of swords energy, somehow predicting that this is time to take um another arrow. Okay, this is like cupids are going to just do their work, and someone is about to fall in love with you, and same goes like vice versa, but someone is about to fall in love with you, and this is 101% for some cases. Let me tell you this, son. Okay, this is like from hopeless situation or disappointing situations or heartbreak or divorce or hurt or breakup or something, never getting settled, disappointed people, cheaters and all, betrayals. This, whoever is going to connect with you, they are going to be like, basically they're trying to convey me they're good with eye contact, and they have this confidence to let you know that this is me, okay, and this is you, okay, and we are about to communicate. Okay, there is communication, there's heavy communication, and this is going to reveal and release everything that is connected with three of swords. Okay, just imagine, in your mind, a three of swords right from Rider Waite, and just look at that heart with three swords. This is something that happened, but now what is about to happen is going to be the sun. What is about to happen in your life is going to be the sun and two of cups energy. So it depends, but there's a companion. I don't want to even say, oh, this is a reunion, though we know it, but not every time. On a psychic note, they're trying to give me this energy of union of some sort, like you're going to communicate with someone, and it's not going to be like, oh, just coming around and just hugging suddenly and out of the blue. No, this is like going to be a slow burn. It's a slow burn, and it's going to be brewing for a while, and you people are going to talk about the matters. Whatever stresses you out, whatever stresses this person out, this is like someone who's going to be so calm with you, and vice versa, that you're going to think about what is going on. I hardly had expectations, um, because of this, and then why? Like, can we play outside now? It's early morning. Have you seen that reel? And she does ask all the time, why? So every why, you'll have answer to every why, because they're going to give you those answers for your every why. Okay, there is communication coming. Something. So it's giving me the energy of like, and I did pick up on Phoenix in my previous readings. It's giving me this energy of like rising from the ashes. Like this time it's so confident, and this communication is going to be like, this communication is going to be like sparks. Like it's going to show you the sparks, okay? You know why I just looked to the side? It's because my window is making sounds. No, it's weird. I know that. I know. But sometimes in mid of the windows, like we have two sections of doors and all parts. So inside there are sometimes things things like, could be lizard even. I don't know. Why? Because it's summertime, and they come out unexpectedly. And but it's not in front of me. There are curtains and all that, but I think someone is going to make sound. Hello. Hey. So I do feel like after this something accumulated, something that you thought, and then you stopped thinking, and you did the prioritization of your life and your day and all that stuff. And this person over there is also having that time schedule shift, possible job or jobs, or whatever timetable they have, whatever schedule they have. This person is going to take time out to message you or contact you. This is what we are talking about. Like, if someone is so interested, because they're going to be, if someone is so interested, they are going to be, no matter where they're stuck, darling, they are going to take out time to send you the messages. And this is your turn to enjoy this time, because someone who is not ready, they're not ready. But someone who is ready, no matter even if they're stuck in a traffic, as I said, they're stuck. So, or whatever is happening in their life. But someone out there is, this person is going to message you. They know how to prioritize. They are going to give you that prioritization. They're going to prioritize you. And if you're new to the channel, I forgot in my previous recording to tell you that there are always messages on me. And today it's like this. What do you see? This is like old vintage antennas on top of the roof and all that stuff, from where the signal. So the signal is coming. Signal is going to be here. Wow. Take a deep breath. Let it out. And some of you need to say, fuck off. I do say these words, but rare. But sometimes we need to, so that we can de-stress ourselves. And this is what you're going to do. You're going to say, okay, if someone doesn't appreciate me, but there is someone who's coming around to appreciate you, enjoy that time frame, darling. Enjoy that. Okay? So there is someone. And they are not going to make excuses. This person is not going to make excuses. Oh, I was busy and all. I'm sorry, but I'm not sorry. You know how people are. Mm, you're going to enjoy this time frame. All I know is that, because you know what bottom energy is? Wheel of Fortune. Your time is changing. Your time is changing, and this is something that's going to be so beautiful. Fortunate events, fortunate time, fortunate phase, fortunate talk, fortunate everything. Um, mm, um, People who are here from a long time, they know that I'm insane. I'm crazy. And I'm not crazy with C, I'm crazy with K. Okay, some people have, can you just write or say crazy with normal C? No, because I'm not normal. For a bit, you can be crazy like me with K. Why you want to be normal with the crazy C? I am not normal. That's why I'm into this field. And I've been reading cards, and you know, I don't want to be normal because I cannot be. Have you seen the situation of this planet globally? Have you heard? Have you seen the news? Whatever is happening, is it normal? How can someone be normal? In me, I can never. I don't want to be normal. Normal is boring. So if you have some problem with me, must be. There are many who might be having problems with me, but I don't care because I don't want to be fake. I am what I am. If someone can love me the way I am. Otherwise, leave. Okay? There are many people who admire me, who love my this crazy thing, who love me being insane. I'm not changing for anyone. No. Okay, so, darling, you know what they're saying. Oh my god, the arrival is going to be ASAP, as soon as possible, and quick. Okay, so Knight of Wands could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, any sign can listen to me. But sometimes I do put slash general alongside Aquarius because people are interested and they go by name. So I just do what my people want. Okay? Have you heard that song? Crazy with a K, that's the way, say Krazzy. How does it even matter? The pronunciation keeps saying that. It's the same. Crazy, 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 crazy. Blah. Oh, we are already so stressed. Can we just laugh for a bit? Um, it's a heavy mood swing. Okay, maybe someone over here who is listening to me is having mood swings. I don't know much, but at least I can tell you, uh, if you really wish to do this, like, eat chocolates. And it's not about, oh, keep hydrated, keep yourself hydrated. Everybody is aware about that. But when you feel especially like this, drink water, okay? And eat something that is sweet. Chocolates may help you, or anything that you like. Anything, ice cream, anything, drink anything, okay? Also, just do like this, just like do this. It's going to help you 5 6 times, okay? You can also do it more. Just inhale from this and exhale from this. It's going to help you. So mood swings are, but someone with heavy mood swing, like kind of like, oh my, they can't escape this thought of you, and they are arriving. They are arriving. This could be someone from recent distant past as well. Definitely. So they are going to be connecting with you. Okay. Yes, they are going to connect with you. Could be Libra listening to me. You might be dealing with the one. So let's see what is coming more. But there is someone who's going to end up talking to you, sending you messages, even if caught up in a traffic or work or schedule. They're going to take out time for you because they want to. We all know, we are very smart, that people who want, they do. Okay. So this person is going to do because they want to do. So who is not doing for you, just let them be. Okay. Just let them go. Okay. Just don't waste your time. You're very, very precious, darling. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes. They're saying yes. Two of Cups is coming. Someone is going to reunite or unite with you. Like, basically, they're coming around to talk with you. You're going to hear from someone 101% again, or someone who's supposed to be coming and talking with you. So they are going to connect with you. Reconnection, reunion, union, whoever, whatever sort. Someone is going to send you the messages out of the blue. Like, oh, I was stuck, I was this. Maybe they're going to explain you the reason why they couldn't. And now they want to apologize and say, like, because this is coming. This was on the top. They're saying just take it. Knight of Wands. This is coming. This person, this man or female or male. Okay, but this male energy is being predicted. They are coming as soon as possible, as fast as possible. They are coming. Okay. What else? What else? Oh, yes, they're going to apologize. Okay. They're going to apologize for the behavior, or they're going to apologize that they were not able to reply to you in that time frame because of blah blah, but they want to stay connected with you, and they're going to call you back even, and if the call is missed, they're going to call back, kind of energy, like basically. And if it's been time, they're going to call you back. Judgment is happening. Judgment is definitely happening. So if you were disappointed in someone, like kind of, or you thought like, ah, again, this is going to be like getting refreshed page. I'm having hiccups. Six of Cups. It's a homecoming. It's lover coming home. It's my prediction of like lover coming home. It's going to be a win-win situation. Is something that someone who does want to win you over as well. Not a malfunction, not manipulation, but it's a genuine like kind of talk. And this is someone who is coming around to talk things with you. Okay, completing their task or something, and then you're also here relaxed and doing your stuff, and which is very interesting because this person is coming around to talk to you. Okay, yes, they are coming around. Cancerian could be coming around to talk. Okay, take care and see you soon.